Two-piece ridges are supplied in pairs, and the inner roll half is always installed first as shown. The outer roll is then laid over the top and installed in the same way, with fixings hitting the centre of the purlin 150 mm up from the bottom edge of the ridge piece. In the second and fifth corrugations from the overlap side of the ridges, as per the sheeting, and the fixing holes are pre-drilled to 15 mm diameter as per the cranked crowns. The ridges are laid in the same direction as the sheets have been laid, whether right to left or left to right, and the ridges align with the sheets exactly. Mitering of the ridges or top edge of sheets either side is not required for two-piece ridges. Two-piece finials are available to close off the ridge at the end of the building. Ventilating two-piece ridges are available to provide ridge-level ventilation, although this method is really only suitable for agricultural purposes. The ventilating pieces can be used in conjunction with the two-piece close-fitting ridges, depending on ventilation requirements. The vent area can have a plastic protection grille fitted. This is fitted to the main sheet before the ridge unit is fixed in place, using two plastic push-in rivets in 8 mm pre-drilled holes. However, this does reduce the available ventilation area. Lay the outer roll over the plastic vent and fix in the same way as the two-piece close-fitting ridge, except with the fixings in the second and sixth corrugations rather than the fifth from the overlap side.